Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we generally discuss about public cloud design problem statement and their related solution. We cover public cloud, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. So today's problem statement, how to realize NoSQL database with public cloud. The solution which has been provided by Microsoft Azure, Azure Cosmos DB, Amazon Web Services provided AWS DynamoDB and few other services. Google Cloud has provided Google Cloud Data Store and few other services. So what we are going to discuss today, AWS DynamoDB. So we will cover all this agenda. What is NoSQL database, types of NoSQL database, what is AWS DynamoDB, features of DynamoDB and DynamoDB pricing. So what is NoSQL database? NoSQL database, also known as not only SQL database or non-SQL database. If you want to compare the difference between SQL and NoSQL database, then please follow our previous video where we have defined when to use what. So the definition of NoSQL database is, it is an approach to database design that enables the storage and querying of data outside the traditional structure found in relational database. So types of NoSQL database in AWS. If you are looking for a key value way of database designing, in that case you can use Amazon DynamoDB. If you are looking for document database design, then you can go ahead with Amazon DocumentDB and DynamoDB. If you are looking for wide column database like Apache Cassandra, then you can go ahead with Amazon Keyspaces. If you are looking for graph database kind of NoSQL database, then you can go ahead with Amazon Neptune. If you are looking for time stream database type, then in that case you can use Amazon Time Stream. And if you are looking for ledger database, where for each change you want to update the data in the ledger database, then you can use Amazon Quantum Ledger database. So these are all different databases, NoSQL databases which has been provided by Amazon Web Services. So let's try to focus on DynamoDB. So what is AWS DynamoDB? Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed serverless key value NoSQL database designed to run high performance application at any scale. Please focus this point. High performance application at any scale is being managed by a fully managed database which is known as DynamoDB. So DynamoDB offers built-in security, continuous backups, automated multi-region replication, in-memory caching, data export tools. So these are all main benefits that DynamoDB provides, and the developer can use DynamoDB to build modern serverless application that can start small and scale globally to support petabytes of data and tens of millions of read and write requests per second. So this is the main power of DynamoDB, where you can store petabytes of data and your read and write operation are much more faster than any other database. So that is the beauty of DynamoDB. Now let's try to understand what are all different features DynamoDB offers. The first feature is key value and document data model. That means you can have flexible schema. Each row can have any number of columns at any point of time. So you want to add any number of columns into a table or into your database, that you can add at any point of time. That is the power of DynamoDB. Second, microsecond latency with DynamoDB accelerator. With accelerator you will find in-memory cache that delivers fast read performance. So if you are looking for fast read performance application designing, and then in that case you can use DynamoDB accelerator feature, which is a fully managed in-memory cache. Third, automated globally replication with global tables. When we say global tables, that means global tables replicates your data automatically across your choice of AWS region and automatically scale capacity to accommodate your workloads. So if you have a globally distributed application and that want to access your database at any region, then in that case it can connect to that particular region database and it will give you a single digit millisecond read and write performance. That is how a global table can help your solution. Advanced streaming application with Kinesis data streaming for DynamoDB, that is the fourth one. In this feature enables you to build advanced streaming applications such as real-time log aggregation, real-time business analytics and Internet of Things data capture. These are all features which can be implemented. These are all solutions can be implemented with the Kinesis data stream for DynamoDB. So these are all four beautiful features which has been provided by DynamoDB. There are many others are there. Please follow the link that has been shared in the reference so that you can get more about it. Now the final part, the DynamoDB pricing model. So DynamoDB offers two type of pricing model. One is pricing for on-demand capacity. Second is pricing for provisioned capacity mode. When we say on-demand capacity mode, that means when to use on-demand capacity mode, when you want to create new tables with unknown workloads. You are not very sure about what should be your table capacity or size, and that is completely unknown. In that case, you can think about this pricing model. And you have unpredictable application traffic, that is not very sure, like what is the capacity or traffic which is not predictable at this moment, and you want to design your solution. There also you can use DynamoDB, and prefer the ease of paying for only what you use. So that is a serverless mechanism, I would say, where you will only pay the amount of the uses that you are doing with your database. Second is a pricing per provisioned capacity mode. That means provisioned capacity mode might be a best fit for your, if you have a predictable application traffic, you are very much sure, okay, this is the amount of traffic that is going to happen. You run your application whose traffic is consistent and ramps gradually, and can forecast capacity requirements to control your cost. So you know about it, then you can block your database capacity or provision your capacity in advance, and that will give you a cost saving as well. So these are all different features or different pricing model that DynamoDB offers with respect to solution designing. So I have gathered all this information by following the beautiful documents of Amazon Web Services. So please follow these links and get the knowledge of DynamoDB. Use it in your solution. It is one of the best and beautiful services which has been provided by Amazon Web Services. Good luck with your learning, and if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and like our channel or share our video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Have a nice learning.